So as we have discussed, IP version 4 is a 32-bit IP addressing, which means each IP address will have 32 bits. So if in this example, if you see here, we have one IP address, and this IP address is 192.160.7.1. This is the IP address, 192.160.7.1. Okay, so 192.160.7.1 is the IP address. So when you configure this number, it is called as a decimal number. Decimal number is from 0 to 9, and this IP address in the decimal format. So when you configure any IP address to the computer, computer will convert this decimal IP address into binary number, because computers understand only binary numbers. They understand zeros and ones. They don't understand the decimal number. And after converting your IP address, this IP address looks like this: 2 ones, 6 zeros, 1 0 1, 5 zeros, 5 zeros, 1 1 7 zeros, and 1. Okay, this is 192.160.7.1. So IP version 4 is having 4 portions or 4 octets, and each octet or portion is separated by dot. Okay, so it is having 4 portions. Each portion is separated by dot. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 portions are there, and each portion is separated by dot. And let us see. So this is the binary number. This is 192, and let us see how to convert this binary number into decimal number. And each octet, if you observe here, having 8 bits: 2160 zeros, 8 bits; 10150, 8 bits; 5 zeros, 3 ones, 8 bits; 7 zeros and 1. It is also having 8 bits. If you add up all these bits, you will get 32 bits. Okay, so that is why it is a 32-bit IP addressing. And let us see how to convert this binary number into decimal number. So first, what you will do, you will take the first portion, which is 1160 zeros. If you see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros, then you will write the 2 power series. 2 power series, it will be like this: 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, then 2 power 7. This is your 2 power series. Then you will calculate these values. What is the value of 2 power 0? It is 1. Anything power 0, the value will be 1. Then what is the value of 2 power 1? It is 2. 2 power 1 means 2 into 1. You will get 2. And what is the value of 2 power 2? It is 2 into 2, which is 4. Then what is the value of 2 power 3? 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So the same way you will calculate all the values. 2 power 4, it will be 16. 2 power 5, it will be 32. 2 power 6, it will be 64. 2 power 7, it will be 128. After that, we will consider only ones. These ones. Okay, we will consider the values which is above this binary one: 128 plus 64, 192, and you will ignore all the zeros here. So the value of 1160 is 192. Let us convert the other values. We'll take the second octet, 101, then 5 zeros: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros. Then you will write the 2 power series: 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7. Then you will calculate the values. What is the value of 2 power 0? It will be 1. 2 power 1, it is 2. 2 power 2, which means 2 into 2, it will be 4. 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Then again, you will consider the binary ones. You will take the values which are above this binary ones: 128 plus 32. You will ignore the zeros. So 128 plus 32, it is 160. 192.160. Let us calculate the third octet. Let us convert the third octet to decimal. Let us convert this third binary octet to the decimal. And again, you will take the binary numbers like 5 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 3 ones, 1, 2, 3. After that, you will write the 2 power series like 2 power 0, 2 power 1 till 2 power 7, or directly you can write this value 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and 128. Then you will consider only the values which are above binary ones, 4, 2, and 1. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. You will get 7 and you will ignore the zeros. Let us take the last octet. Let us convert the last octet into decimal. So last octet is 7 zeros and 1. Again, we will consider only the numbers which are above the binary one. So above the binary one, we have only one. So we'll write one and we'll ignore the zeros. And the IP address is 192.160.7.1. This is how you will convert the binary to decimal. Okay, we have converted the binary numbers to decimal.